How to download Roblox account manager. The first things first is use up any preferred web browser that you want on your end. Now in this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. So what you want to do next is just go to your search tab or on your search bar and just simply type in download Roblox account manager. Now what we will be getting from here is just to download the file via the GitHub. Just simply click on the very first result and then just simply scroll down a bit till you find the portion of the page that says download. Now to install this, head over to the releases section and just simply click this blue highlighted icon right here. Now you'll be redirected to another page in which you will be or you can download Roblox Account Manager 3.7.2. Now what you want to do next is just simply click the assets from here, which is going to be on a zip file or on a WinRAR file. Now once you have downloaded it completely, just extract the file, install the application, and you're good to go. Now using this is going to be on the next or on a separate video. And that's it. That's how you download Roblox Account Manager.